Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook and going straight to your profile photos, no detours. Once signed in, tap Photos, then Uploads, and press Select to choose the images you want to move. Make sure the photos are fully uploaded or stored on the device before continuing, because Facebook won't move partial uploads. If you're on web, use the checkbox on Upload Thumbnails. On mobile, long press, or use multi-select. This initiates the only supported transfer method within Facebook's interface. Once your selection is ready, create the destination album and understand why. Albums preserve order and privacy settings. Click Create Album or Add to Album and enter a clear name, adjust privacy to who can see it, and add captions if needed. Then select the photos you chose earlier and pick Add or Save so Facebook relocates them into that album. This groups files without re-uploading in most cases. Make sure captions and tags are correct before final save, because edits are easier at this stage. Finish by reviewing the new album. Reorder photos, edit captions, and confirm the privacy setting is correct. If some images didn't appear, check the original uploads area. They may still be pending or stuck in cache. When things go wrong, retry the action, clear the app cache, or switch to Facebook Web where file handling is more reliable. This often resolves stuck transfers. If persistent errors occur, log out and back in or update the app before attempting the transfer again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.